Hello everyone. Today I am going to start with next chapter, that is excretory system. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about excretory system and organs involved in excretion in detail. So first of all, what is excretion? Excretion is defined as a process of removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. Children, never confuse with the term egestion. Egestion is defined as a process of removal of undigested solid waste from the body. So children, the difference between excretion and egestion is very important. Excretion is defined as a process of removal of nitrogenous waste from the body, and egestion is defined as a process of removal of undigested waste from the body. Waste is removed in the form of liquid called urine, and waste is removed in the form of solid called feces. It occurs through urethra and it occurs through anus. So now next is, there are various excretory organs in our body. These are liver, kidney, lungs and skin. Out of these, kidney is the chief excretory organ and rest all are accessory excretory organs which are supportive in function. There are various substances which are to be removed. These are carbon dioxide and water, nitrogenous waste, excess salts and bile pigments. So first of all, we are going to talk about carbon dioxide. We know in our body respiration occurs, and respiration is defined as a process of oxidation of food to release energy. As a result of respiration, carbon dioxide is released, which is to be eliminated out through lungs. Star nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste includes urea, uric acid and ammonia. These are produced mainly in the liver. So urea is highly poisonous, and if it is allowed to accumulate in the blood to a certain level, it causes even the death. Excess of salts like sodium chloride, water and even some water soluble vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin C are to be eliminated out through the body, and these are eliminated out with the help of lungs. Next is water. Water is taken in with food and beverages in large amount. The excess of water is removed along with urine, which also contains dissolved harmful material to carry them out. Next, we are going to talk about bile pigments. Bile pigments are the breakdown products of hemoglobin of dead RBCs. The liver cells extract it from the circulation and secrete it into the bile juices. Children, we know these bile juices are poured in duodenum through common bile duct and get modified into intestine, and these pigments give feces the yellowish brown color. Some of these pigments are excreted out in the urine also. Children, the urinary system is very well elaborated in human beings. This system consists of a pair of bean-shaped kidneys on either side of backbone. Kidney filters the blood and helps in removal of urea from the body along with urine. Urine leaves the kidney through the tubes called ureters, which empty the urine into a sac called urinary bladder. Below the urinary bladder, there is a small muscular tube called urethra through which urine is excreted out, and the passage of urine to the outside is called micturition or urination. Now, what is micturition? Micturition is defined as a process of passing out urine. Now, you must be able to answer the following questions. What is excretion? What is egestion? Difference between excretion and egestion. Write the names of excretory organs present in man, and what is micturition. So children, this was all about today's lecture. We will continue with the next topic in the next lecture. Kindly learn all the question answers very properly.